My job is to keep you engaged for 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. I am a chicken. That's Mauritius.
And if you want to get there in 2025, subscribe.
Oh, there's my llama. Let's feed it. Pizza. I'm a light. And it's really getting dark because it's no longer light.
I used to be a child.
But then I grew up and I'm entertaining you for 5 minutes. Doofy. What am I doing with my life? Oh, subscribe. Seriously, you might think that I'm idiot, but actually I train every day. Check out those guns. Hey. So I walked up to this girl and I said, how much does a polar bear weigh? She said, I don't know. And then I said, I weigh 28927258 kilograms, JK.
That's my phone number.
And then she said, hell no, because I'm the tardy man. Another light. Oh look, it's the sun. Watch this marker. When you go and watch TV, right, like this, TV. See this? Yeah, because that's you and that's your fart. Subscribe. I'm in the fridge, and I'm freezing now. Kettle pouring water, la 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 la. Subscribe to make me feel better.
Ooh, whiskey.
Just kidding, it's only iced tea.
Hey there, how are you?
I am in the middle of the desert, searching for the water.
Water.
I see you, can you see me? I see you, can you see me? I see you, can you see me?
Nah.
I put shorts on my head and I hope you are not dead. Watching for me to entertain you. Water, click, water, click. This is what you're doing. Click. Next video, click. Next video, click. Next video, click. Go top, next video. Top, next video. Top, next video. You are awesome. Can solve Rubik's Cube.
My head.
On my eye. Oh, on my leg. Cast away under the table to be forgotten. Bye. Who are you? How did you find me?
How did I find you? On the internet.
I've got a gap on that tooth.
And a gap on that tooth.
And a deviated septum. I have a
Scar over there.
a bump on my head.
1, 2, 3, 4 pimple.
Now I'm dead. I'm getting tired of entertaining you. I look really short. Ryan's iced tea. Span. A bob. Square. Pan. Span. A bob. Square. Pants. How's at home, kids? Span. Square pan. There are 100 days of summer vacation.
There's 104 days
Of summer vacation. And school comes along just iced tea. And
104 days of summer vacation.
well, we're gonna do it all. Aren't you exhausted? I've had enough. Make it stop. Subscribe, fuckos. I've had enough. Make it stop. Subscribe, fuckos.